मुझे तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि आफ्टर 12th क्या करना चाहिए। अब्रॉड जाने का तो बहुत मन है, बट आई हैव नो आइडिया हाउ दैट्स गोना हैपन।
If you are a 12th grade student in 2025 and your dream is to study abroad in 2026, this is your step-by-step guide. Let's plan it smartly so your dream doesn't remain just a dream. The first step is gaining clarity. What do you want to study? Where do you want to study and why? Don't just say I want to go abroad. Be specific about your field of interest, your kind of study and the countries that you want to go. Start by asking yourself, what are my interests and strengths? What kind of environment am I comfortable in? Which countries align with my specific career goals and budget? Popular options include the US for STEM and research, Canada for PR and affordability, Germany for low or no tuition fees, Australia for great student life and job prospect, UK for short courses and global universities. And if you are having any sort of problems with planning which country to go for, contact us. Our counselors can literally help you from scratch with live one-on-one connectivity and doubt-solving sessions. So don't wait, come to us.
I am pursuing my 12th from Commerce Street and I am thinking of shortlisting some universities. But what should I do next?
This is your test prep window. Most universities abroad require English proficiency test like IELTS, TOEFL or Duolingo English exam. Some universities might also require academic entrance exam. For example, US requires SAT or ACT plus IELTS or TOEFL. Canada, UK, Australia only require IELTS or TOEFL, while Germany may require Test AS or German proficiency test in some courses. And if you are aiming for top universities, high scores are essential. Begin preparation early. In fact, we have also started IELTS training now on our channel. So subscribe to us to start your preparation journey today.
So if I score well in these exams, would it ensure my study abroad?
Admissions abroad are not just about marks. It's also about who you are as a student and as an individual. Universities want to see your passion, leadership, initiative and real-world engagement. Here is how to build a strong profile. Take online courses in your interest area. For example, Python, marketing or graphic design. Join internships even if unpaid. Volunteer with school clubs, NGOs or social campaigns. Consolidate certificate and proof of contributions for everything that you have done in past 2 to 3 years apart from academics. Start building your LinkedIn profile to showcase your activities. This will give you rich content for your SOP and make your application stand out from the rest.
So after all of this, what should be the next step?
Now that your test scores and profile are shaping up, start researching for universities. This step takes time, so don't rush it. Create a short list of around 6 to 8 universities, divided as DREAM, that consists of highly competitive, top-ranked universities whose acceptance rate is quite low. TARGET, which is a good fit for your profile. And SAFE, which have higher acceptance rate and the chances of getting a call from them is comparatively high. These are also known as your backup plan. Now, while you are selecting your choice of university, always check for course content, tuition fees and cost of living, entry requirements, location, safety and weather, scholarships and part-time job options.
Okay, now also tell me what mandatory documents would I need for the submission.
Now begins the real action, college application. Start early because this part takes time and careful thought.
UK would have UCAS deadline in January.
But if you are targeting Oxford or Cambridge, then it comes in October. US would have early decision or early action deadlines in November. But they usually have multiple deadlines till February, known as regular deadlines, first deadline, second deadline, etc. And you would have rolling deadlines after that. Singapore's would have deadlines in mostly January. So if you are applying early, your chances of getting the admission is quite high. Now let's talk about what includes your application material, a statement of purpose or application essays, which include your story, goals, and why you choose that specific course or university. Letter of recommendation. Ask 2 or 3 teachers or mentors who know you well to write it for you. Resume or CV that highlights your academic skills, extracurriculars, and achievements. Academic transcripts including your 10th and 12th mark sheets and predicted grades. Test scores of IELTS, TOEFL, or SAT. Each SOP should be tailored to the university. Don't use one generic version. Write honestly, talk about your goals, how you will contribute to the organization, and what you hope to achieve. And proofread your SOP twice or multiple times. Even one grammar mistake can hurt your chances.
But studying abroad is too expensive. How would I manage my finances?
Yes, a bit. But now comes the most important phase of your application. Studying abroad is a bit expensive, but scholarships can make it affordable. There are basically 3 main types of scholarships: university-based scholarships, government-funded scholarships, and external scholarships. And start applying early because mostly all the scholarships have an early bird advantage. Be ready with your financial documents stating your income proof and bank statement, essay or motivation letter, and recommendation letters. Also, plan for education loan if required. Public sector banks and NBSC offer student-friendly interest rates.
So इन सब के बाद मेरा एडमिशन कंफर्म हो जाएगा ना?
Once applications are submitted, universities will begin sending their offer letter from February onwards. Now, this period is a little stressful. Sometimes you get multiple offer letters, but sometimes none. Compare your offers carefully. Course quality, scholarship amount, living expenses, job prospects after graduation. Once you accept the offer and pay the initial amount, the university will send you an official document which is required for your visa application process. Visa process includes financial proof, health check, visa interviews, and biometric appointments. Once all of this has happened, you're almost ready to fly. But that's an altogether different phase, in which you must do your final preparation for your journey abroad, which is a hectic and tiresome process. Now, I won't give you more details on this part of the process because I want you guys to get through there first. But if any one of you has completed all the steps and now planning to go abroad and you want to have a detailed video on what to keep in your bags, important documents and essentials, tell us in the comments and we'll make a detailed video on it.
अभी तो काफी टाइम है यार, मेरा तो हो ही जाए.
Wait, studying abroad in 2026 may seem far away right now, but it isn't. Every month from now is valuable. The students who start early are the ones who stand out in application, in interviews, and in daily life. So don't delay, start planning today.